Guess we're ready.
Yeah, you better be ready because it's not too far away. We have rain and snow in Montana and Wyoming right now, and that's our front and area of low pressure that is heading our way. So again, it's not too far away out there. And as we take a look in Denver and Colorado, not here yet. We have some cloud cover. We have a whole lot of haze out there from all of the fires. We've definitely noticed that get worse in the last 2 days, and that is thanks to the wind shifting from the system heading our direction. So for tonight, the next couple of hours, we're just going to see the winds increase, and then by about midnight should start to get some rain for the Front Range up into Weld County, maybe parts of the Eastern Plains. And then by 6-7 a.m. probably changing over to snow in many areas. Eastern Plains, you are still on the rainy side, and then we do have snow all the way from Moffett County into the Denver area, and this just gets more widespread as we head into the afternoon and evening with some really heavy snow expected on our Sangre de Cristos. And then that snow will continue throughout the night on into Wednesday morning, and then we'll continue to see heavy snow on Wednesday for southern Colorado. It'll start to taper here in the Denver area, and Eastern Plains are still getting some of this as well. We only go out to 1 p.m. on Wednesday for our feature cast, but there will still be some lingering snow throughout the afternoon and evening, and maybe a little bit of rain possible in Denver again on Thursday. We have so many winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings out there. Most of our southern mountain areas, you can see anywhere from 8 to 14 inches of snow. And again, I want to emphasize that all of the snow that we could see is not going to accumulate. When you go from 100 degrees down to the 30s, the ground is still really, really warm. So we won't see a lot of accumulation, but you will see snow throughout most of the day on Tuesday. So just be extra careful out there, especially into the evening hours when things could start to ice over for us. So for the Denver area, we do have a winter weather advisory for 3 to 7 inches of snow. You will not measure that out there. It will stick to maybe some grassy spots in the evening hours. But again, it's been too hot for this to stick around. If this was February, December, no problem. You'd see this pile up without any issues. Right now, still fairly warm in many areas. We have 83 in Denver, 78 in Greeley, 100 in Lamar, 68 in Frisco. We have 81 in Avon and Steamboat Springs, 91 in Grand Junction. And it was another day in the 90s, 93 in Denver, 92 degrees here downtown. 82 is our average. So we're obviously above that. We're going to go well below that tomorrow. Today was the 73rd day in the 90s this year for us here in Denver. So that now ties the all-time record 90-degree days in a season with 2012. Now we're not done with the 90s yet, probably because it is still September, but it's going to be a little while before we start to see that. Tonight, we do drop below freezing in Denver, 31 in Denver, 32 in Boulder and Fort Collins, 24 in Steamboat Springs, 25 in Leadville, lots of low 30s out in the Eastern Plains, and these are our highs. Yes, these are the highs tomorrow. 36 in Denver and Fort Collins, 34 in Boulder, 41 in Burlington. We'll probably hit these highs pretty close to midnight, and then it'll just get colder throughout the day. 57 in Aspen and Avon. Takes a little while longer for that front to affect you. And then tomorrow night, all of eastern Colorado, for the most part, will be under a freeze warning. Northwestern Colorado, that's a freeze watch for you. So just make some preparations because tomorrow night will be a pretty hard freeze for us. So just be extra cautious out there. And then we will start to warm up on Wednesday, still around freezing on Wednesday night. And then we get back to the 50s on Thursday with a little bit of chance of rain around here. And then we're warmer and mild as we head into Friday and into Saturday.
Look at that weekend, Lauren. That looks delightful.